How to delete your FPL account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete your FPL account. For that, you want to open the PL app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Now, once you have been signed into your account, this is going to be the home screen. Now you want to tap on these three dots that says More. Then tap on the Manage Account option. Here you can find different options such as your personal details, preferences, account security, and finally there is the option of Delete Account. Now in order to delete your FPL account, you will have to delete your Premier League account. So go ahead and tap on the Delete Account option. Now if it prompts you to the sign in page, go ahead and sign into your account. Now tap on the Delete Your Account option. Here it says that this process will permanently delete your PremierLeague.com account details along with access to Fantasy Premier League. Once confirmed, your account will permanently be deleted in 21 days. So go ahead and enter your password for confirmation. Then tap on the Confirm Password option. Now, on the Account Remover Confirmation option, tap on the Confirm option. As soon as you do that, your FPL account will be deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.